Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It does kill ants, cockroaches, mites and spiders, among other insects, and it can also kill algae, molds and fungi. Borax doesn't kill some insects such as aphids or ticks that eat plant juices, and it doesn't kill insect larvae.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Method: take equal parts of baking soda and a pinch of sugar in a shallow bowl, then place it near to the cockroach-infested areas or in where roaches are usually roaming at your house. The sugar attracts the cockroaches while baking soda will kill them. All you have to do afterwards is just clean up the dead roaches.
Take our lead.
Borax is an effective treatment for bed bugs, unlike other popular remedies vehicled on the internet. It works to suffocate and kill the bed bugs. Sprinkle a generous amount of borax over the entire mattress, and fill up a plastic spray bottle with water. Saturate the borax-covered mattress with the water.
Take our lead.
Borax can kill termites by interfering with a termite's digestion, which can cause its death. While it can be injected in powder form into a drywood termite colony, it is difficult to fully expose all termites in a colony to the powder. This limitation reduces the effectiveness of borax powder in termite control.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.